Salam Namaste, very good day for you and my side. Very good day to all the moms, those who are starting or in the period of pregnancy. During the pregnancy and after the delivery, some kind of depression and anxiety goes on in the mind. These are the chemical reactions in the body which most of the time moms facing. When I went to certain people and asked the question regarding the situation they faced mostly during the pregnancy, I found certain answers for these questions. Then I realized that how I came on this planet, how much my mother has been suffered regarding the pregnancy and the delivery. It is not only about the lady and the woman. I'm talking about the clap which is going on with both the hands. So the same time the dad and the husband and the family members has to give their support system to the lady who is now in the pregnancy. The basic thing in the pregnancy is about the extra weight and the chemical reactions inside getting so much changes, and the lady has to sit 9 months, might be 6 months inside the house, and very rare they go outside. They have to take so much precautions. Because of that, a kind of worry, a kind of anxiety, a kind of depression comes into the mind. How to deal these kind of problems? The depression symptoms just like less appetite, not a good sleep, and feeling fatigue, tired, not getting energy to do some new kind of things, and the anxiety. Anxiety is nothing but worrying so much, thinking so much, repeating the same work which is already done, cleaning the surface again and again, and worrying about the lock and the door opened or might be closed. So bipolar disorder kind of system starts and tension starts repeating the works. If it goes in a daily routine work, you have certain problems. If it goes for some time and sometime you get a kind of worry and sadness and fatigue, it means it is nothing to worry. Out of 5 women in pregnancy, 1 woman suffer these kind of problems. But how can we come out? And the solution? The solution is very simple. Support system is very important in the family. It is the one of the foundation for the lady to get out these kind of problems. Number 1 tip is that drink plenty of waters. Each and every hour you have to drink a glass of water. And if it is possible, drink the glass of water in the glass which is transparent. You can see the water. In our body, we are having 70% of water. In planet also, we are having 70% of water. Those who are residing near to the ocean, sea areas, they can, if get the chance, they can sit in front of the sea and they can enjoy the waves, or in house, they can drink water, and it helps so much in anxiety and helps to reduce and give the good hormones. Second thing, you can drink organic tea, that is organic mama tea, which is available in the market. You can take it. It is very effective to calming the mind and the same time to relax and get a good sleep. Which I want to say the tip of third one, it is the posture you are sleeping on the bed. Hardly does matter which trimester you are, first or second or might be the third. The posture you have to keep it is mostly try to sleep in the left side turning. If it is possible, you can turn to the right side, but very rare, because in the right side we are having the liver and the baby can get the pressure from the liver side. So you have to sleep the left side. Do not try to sleep flat on spine or abdomen. These are the posture which is very helpful when you sleep. Using the pillows, you can see in the pictures how the posture is there. Now the tip number 4, it is very easy. The tip number 4 is nothing but little bit of stretchings in the body, which is little bit of walk and little bit of yoga asanas. Yoga asanas those very easy you can do it is butterfly, very easy, very useful. Cat pose, you can see in the photographs, is very easy, anybody can do it. There is no need of Surya Namaskar, any kind of balancing postures. Might be you get injury, so avoid it. Do most of the postures in sitting. Standing postures you have to avoid. You can do it on the chair also. So these kind of 2-3 postures you can do it on chair, on sitting on the mat. Now the tip number 4, it is about the pranayam, the breathing practice. Nadi Shodhana pranayam is very useful. It gives more oxygen to your brain. The problem we are getting not only regarding the pregnancy, most of the time the depression is not about the pregnancy. Other people faces depressions. The reason behind is when the oxygen getting less in the mind, automatically the hormones changes and negative hormones create more. So when you increases the oxygen level in your mind, any kind of problems, X plus Y plus Z will be removed. But if you discipline and the discipline, if you do the breathing practice 3 times, morning, afternoon and the night, you can do empty stomach. The simple formula: before 1 hour of the food and after 1 hour of the food. And tip number 5, which is liquid diet. Try to take plenty of fruit juice and try to take vegetable soup, and very rare the non-veg item and fried things, because it takes much time to digestion and it creates the heat in the body. Due to the heat, your hair is falling, because heat is getting to the upper side of your head and you feel the thyroid problem and falling of your hairs. So these are the points. And the last not the least, you can try for 5 minutes only sitting, putting the cushion to your hips and taking the cushion support, and sit down to your back and just get up little bit, putting the pillow, and you can get comfortable to 5 minutes doing the meditation. There is no need to close your eyes in the meditation. There is no permanent rule. You can do meditation in your open eyes. You can listen the music. You can go with the guided meditation. You can go with the guided yoga nidra, and all these are very useful. When you are doing meditation, just keep your belly hands in the pregnancy time. Just take deep breath and fill the air in the stomach and feel the stomach is coming, the belly outside, and exhale and release the belly downside, and you can feel, and you have to rub over here so that you can connect to your baby. This is very helpful and very happy hormones coming from the brain, and you feel proud that you're pregnant, and you feel proud you are a mother. Not only the mother, you are going to deliver a baby, a very smart, might be the baby is going to be scientist, might be in NASA, might be a good teacher, might be a good leader. So you are not only delivering a baby, you are delivering the complete society and complete good human being to the planet. Thank you very much for this note. See you again with the diet detailed about during pregnancy. Till then, goodbye, keep healthy and smile always. Thank you.